In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell products from CJ Dropshipping to Wed2C effortlessly in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser and search for CJ Dropshipping. Once the site loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But assuming you're good to go, let's move on. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to look for the authorization section. This is important because it allows you to connect CJ Dropshipping to other platforms seamlessly. Once you locate it, you'll see several platforms you can connect to. What we're interested in today is Wed2C, so find that on the list. After selecting Wed2C, you'll see an option to link your accounts. Go ahead and click on Link Account. You might be prompted to enter some additional information or confirm certain details. Make sure you follow these prompts diligently to complete the linking process. It's crucial to get this part right because this is how your products will sync between CJ Dropshipping and Wed2C. With your accounts now linked, you're all set to start browsing for products. So, navigate back to the main dashboard on CJ Dropshipping. Take your time to look through the items available. You can use filters and categories to narrow down your search to what interests you most or aligns best with your store's theme. Once you've found a product you like, it's time to take action. When you're ready, click on List Now. This option allows you to instantly list the chosen item to your authorized store, in our case, Wed2C. Ensure that the product details and descriptions are accurate before listing. It's often a good idea to customize the descriptions or make minor edits to fit the tone and branding of your store better. And just like that, you've successfully listed a product from CJ Dropshipping to your Wed2C store. It's all about making sure your stores are connected and that you're choosing products that resonate with your target audience. This process makes it incredibly easy to expand your inventory without the hassle of managing stock, as dropshipping takes the onus of fulfillment off your plate. Remember to check how the listings are appearing on Wed2C and handle any customer inquiries promptly to maintain excellent customer service. Also, keep an eye on potential updates from both platforms to make sure your integrations remain smooth. There you have it. A quick and simple guide to start selling products from CJ Dropshipping on Wed2C. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed it or found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Happy selling!